How to fix Instagram camera effects on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera effects on Android or iOS phone. First thing to do here is to go to settings and then go to storage and click clean up. Now just make sure you have enough space, and you can just clean some space here. You can delete junk files, or you can delete some photos or videos from your gallery, and then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have enough space, then just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if you can find here any updates, and if you can't find it, then all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and go to settings, go to system and updates and software updates, and make sure your Android is updated, your phone is updated, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.